It's the Techstination Week podcast. I'm Fred Fishkin. Welcome to the compilation of this week's Techstination reports and more. They've had to go online this year, but the world's largest student robotics competition returns this month. The first ever live remote VEX Robotics World Championship takes place from May 17th to the 29th, with students from nearly all grade levels and from all over the world involved. At the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation, CEO Dan Mantz says,
our students learn a lot of tech skills, but it's also important for them to collaborate and then also strategize. So the REC Foundation decided to develop a new platform, something unique to the world, where students could still socially distance, but actually play our robotics competitions with real robots on real fields with real scoring elements.
With real excitement. For more info, head to roboticseducation.org. LinkedIn has named Amazon as the #1 company where Americans want to work.
So we're looking at things like the ability to get a promotion or the opportunity to develop your skill set while you're there.
LinkedIn Senior Managing Editor Laura Lorenzetti. When the job market went south during the pandemic, Amazon added 400,000 jobs during 2020 in the U.S. and 500,000 around the world. Amazon Vice President of Workforce Development, Ardeen Williams.
Whole industries can change very quickly. We saw areas like travel and hospitality just turned on their head in a very, very short period of time. And Amazon had the opportunity to hire some people with very strong customer skills.
Plus more to help keep up with the jump in online shopping. And the hiring continues at Amazon.jobs. Imagine a contact lens that has augmented reality built in and can give you all kinds of data at a glance. That's just part of the future a company called Mojo Vision is developing. They've won awards from NASA, this year's last gadget standing, and are busy getting ready to bring the Mojo lens to market. CEO Drew Perkins.
We've turned science fiction into science fact, and I have worn, and a number of other people have worn, a contact lens that's practically invisible and is able to show us information.
The technology to put the display, battery, and more into a contact lens is astounding.
There's many medical applications and things that can be developed when you're in a contact lens that's in contact with a bodily fluid and in contact with your body the whole time you're wearing it.
Stay tuned. For more, head to mojo.vision. You may want to sit down for this one. The research and development folks at Charmin have teamed up with tech company Unit 9 to develop the BRB Butt. It's software designed to let you create a digital stand-in for yourself when nature calls while you're in the middle of a video call.
You can step away at any time and the bot just takes over seamlessly in a way that no one actually realizes you're not there.
Unit 9's Maji Zasada. Charmin's Director of R&D, Greg Weaver.
Let's face it, nature calls at some unopportune times, and BRB Bot is here to answer that call.
Of course, this is all being done with a sense of humor. Comedian Niecy Nash and Steelers wide receiver Juju Smith-Schuster took part in Charmin's virtual press event. As for when, or really if, the software will be available to the public, Charmin is playing it cheeky. Anchor Work is the name of a new product line from Anchor, and first out of the gate is the PowerConf C300 webcam. It features 1080p resolution, dual microphones, and does a great job in low light settings as well. And it makes use of AI technology. The company's Adam Weissman.
We use AI in a couple different ways for both focus, framing, and also sound. Really to just get the best image, the best sound from you so that the people viewing you can see you clearly.
It can automatically adjust the angle to accommodate the number of people in the room, along with very flexible options for mounting. The PowerConf C300 sells for about $130. Find more at us.anker.com. Those are our reports for this week. You can find a full archive of reports and complete interviews at Techstination.com. Thanks for listening. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, Without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.